Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add widgets in your WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome option from here, and once you type in the Chrome option it will simply go to the Chrome, and after that you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar. And once you are done with it, you have to simply go to the My Home option from here, and from here you have to simply click on the Edit Site option. And once you click on the Edit Site, after that it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing. Let's say I would like to edit this one, and from here what you need to do is simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar. Here you can see in the top, here is the blue mark plus icon. You have to just simply click on it, and once you do this, and after that here you will get lots of options, and you have to simply scroll it down here in the list, and you have to find out the widgets option in the below. And here you can see you have already got the widgets option here, and you can simply choose the widgets that you would like to add to your website. So let's say there are archives, calendar, term list, categories, and other options are available. Just simply to place it, choose it and drag it to your website. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.